Hi guys, good morning and welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, do not forget to show some love by subscribing. Okay. Here we share amazing content about forex trading, and as a beginner, you can find your niche, you can find your strategy, you can pick a simple strategy here that will guide you all through your trading journey. All right, so this is United States dollar against the Japanese yen. That's USDJPY, and looking at it, I don't always want to go too far. We take it from here. Okay, you realize that we had an uptrend. For you to know a trend, because so many people get confused, it's easy. You just take a line. There's a, I don't know the name of this. Take this, you draw it out, create a line chart. Okay, you see we're creating higher highs and higher lows. Okay, and here we have this high. I consider this one a low. Okay, this one bearish candle, and now we created the higher high, but later we took out that high. So we are on the weekly time frame, all right, because what we are doing now is top down analysis. So we start from the higher time frame coming down. You see, this candlestick did not close below this zone, but the wick of that candlestick actually went below that zone. That's a very big sign for me. And now the next move that we had, let's consider this little move. Okay, it was unable to take out this high. Okay, to take out this high. This is an overall high. So we ended here, and what happened? We took out structure, or we changed character, came back up, pulled back. Okay, so all this move, I consider it one leg. It's not that serious. Okay, consider it one leg. Now, what do I look? I look at this. What happened? When price got to this point, okay, if price would have taken out this high, it would have been a little risky. But what happened? This is the second week that just closed. Price did not take out this high, all right? Which means price is proving to be weak around here, okay? Price is proving to be weak around here. Just give me a moment. Okay, guys, so price was unable to take out this zone, and you can see clear rejections around here. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting this trend to continue. But first, you see here, this is where the genesis of trading comes. This is, go back to support and resistance. Okay, there's a strong support zone around here. You yourself can see how powerful and strong this zone is. So it is a zone, not just a line. So we mark out the zone. Okay, it's very simple. This is what trading is all about. You see, every time price comes to this zone, there is a serious reaction. And you look up here, there is another zone. Okay, there is another zone up here. All right, so these two zones, you realize that price has been playing around these zones. And now, for those who trade patterns, you realize that, let me take out these our lines and make a new one. You realize that price created something here during this uptrend. It gave us left shoulder, came back down, gave us the head, came all the way down, and now, sorry, it came all the way down, and now gave us the right shoulder before this move. Okay, before this move. And now there is something cooking again that looks exactly like what happened here. Okay, exactly like it looks exactly. That's why they say history repeats itself in the forex market every blessed day, or on the charts every blessed day. So I want you to look at it. You see what happened here, right? Just look. This is a trend. That's the left shoulder. Price came back down. Here's the head, right? Price came back down. And now what are we expecting? We're expecting to see the right shoulder, okay? If this would have taken out these highs, we would have been wrong. But at this point, you see that price is still within this zone or below, okay? Price is still below, which means we are still selling. We are still selling. So like right now, I'm in a trade on USDJPY. I shared this trade last week. And for those who took the trade, they are still in massive profits. Excuse me. For those who took a trade, they are still in massive profits. Okay. So guys, this is what I see on the weekly for um, USDJPY. Okay, now since it's top-down analysis, will not end here. Sorry for taking so much time, but it's good you understand exactly what I'm talking about. Now we go to the daily time frame because on a top-down analysis, we have this simple rule. At least two time frames should be in sync. Okay, at least two time frames should be in sync. If it's just one, we are not sure. So now you see, for the daily, like I said, we don't always go too far. We take it from here. Oh fuck. We take it from here and you realize the daily has been in an uptrend also. Okay, on the daily time frame, we've been in an uptrend. We've been in an uptrend, and for those who are trading candlestick patterns, you see this is an evening star, and an evening star is a sign to tell you that price is about to start crashing. Um, that's a confluence, right? So since we are bullish on the daily time frame, let's go down now to the 4 hours to see if we are bullish or bearish. Okay, and now you realize that on the 4 hours, what have we been creating? Lower highs and lower lows. But before we got to that point, there was something that happened on the 1 hour. Okay, if you look at this closely, you'll see that after this bullish move, this one candlestick, if you notice, I always respect these big candlesticks on daily or 4 hours or even weekly. I respect them. Okay, so you have this big candlestick, then we have a bullish movement again to the upside before we had a crash and then this pullback. Okay, now we are going down, creating lower lows and lower highs. Okay, so if you are not keen enough, you will not understand what transpired around this zone. You will not understand. So let's go down to the 1 hour so that you should see a clean head and shoulder pattern and a test of the neckline. So here is the neckline of the head and shoulder. Okay, it's simple. You get to understand this as time goes on. That's why they say spending time on the charts gives you more understanding. Okay, gives you more understanding. Okay, so let's go now to the 1 hour time frame. You see, on the 4 hours, we are bearish. Okay, telling us our bias for the week is still very okay. Do you now see the head and shoulder? Let me take this thing out and actually draw it out. It's a clean head and shoulder. Okay, you see, we had the right shoulder, we had the head. See, this went higher than the previous one. We had this crash to the downside, and we had this retest of the neckline. Do you see that? That's how easy trading is. Okay, I call this move. For those who are not on Telegram with us, let me see. For those who are not on Telegram with us, I will share this setup on this video. I will share the setup because I took this sell. All right, I took this sell. So guys, if you are new to the channel, do not forget to show some love by subscribing. And if you want to be part of my free Telegram channel where I share amazing contents, I share amazing signals, for you guys to be able to participate and enjoy from my free lessons and free knowledge, what I've acquired for a couple of years. I'm giving you guys for free. So subscribe to this channel and also join the Telegram channel. Then for this week, will be for this the whole month of December, I will be having free live sessions on my Telegram channel. All right, I will be giving free training, free trading lessons on the Telegram channel. So don't fail to be part of us. All right, guys. Love you so much. See you on the next video. Ciao.